In this video, we will discuss about union of subspaces of vector space. At what condition union of subspace is again a subspace of a vector space? You are all familiar with the definition of subspace. Subspace is a subset of a vector space when it satisfies all the conditions of vector space. It is called as a subspace of a vector space over the same field F. Now we see that the union of two subspaces is of a vector space over F is not necessarily a subspace of vector space. Theorem: the union of two subspaces of vector space V of F is not necessarily a subspace of vector space. This is we want to prove. We will prove this theorem by using a counter example. Proof. Now we construct two subspaces. Suppose W1 is a set of the elements order triplet A belongs to R and W2 equal to the set of order triplet of A belongs to R, and where V of F is a vector space of order triplet over the field of real number. You can easily check that W1 and W2 are subspaces. Then union of these two set W1 union W2 equal to, this is set of all element U where U equal to either A comma 0 comma 0 or U equal to either 0 comma A comma 0 where A belongs to R. In order to prove that W1 union W2, we will prove by showing the condition alpha U plus beta V belongs to the vector, belongs to the union. For that purpose, we take two element U comma V belongs to W1 union W2 and alpha comma beta belongs to R. We have taken the field of real numbers, therefore they belongs to R. Then U comma V are members of W1 or members of W2. To be specific, we take U belongs to W1 and V belongs to W2. Then alpha U plus beta V equal to alpha times U A comma 0 comma 0, where now it remains here. We take this V as an element of W2, therefore we take it as a 0 comma B comma 0 where B is an real number. Then alpha U plus beta V, this is plus beta into 0 comma B comma 0, this is equal to alpha A comma 0 0 plus 0 comma beta b comma 0 equal to alpha a comma beta b comma 0. Now look at the product alpha u plus beta v. Alpha u plus beta v, it is a order triplet, but first element and second element are non-zero. In the case of subspace W1, second and third should be 0. In the case of W2, first and third should be 0, but the product of alpha u plus beta v is of the type alpha a plus beta b comma 0. It is neither of the type W1 nor of the type W2, and hence this element alpha u plus beta v cannot be a member of W1 and W2. If it is not a member of W1, not a member of W2, it cannot be belongs to their union, belongs to the union of W1 union W2, and hence the union of two subspaces is not necessarily a subspace of vector space. Now we prove one problem in which we show that the vector space union of two subspaces is a subspace at particular condition. Let me write the statement of the problem. The problem is the let u comma w be two subspaces of a vector space V over F. Prove that U union W is a subspace of V if and only if U is a subset of W or W is subset of U. This is the condition. When U is a subset of W or W is a subset of V, then U union W is a subspace of a vector space. Let us prove this problem. Proof. First assume that let U comma W be two subspaces obviously of a vector space V over F. Now if U is a subset of W or W is a subset of U, then we know that if U is a subset of W, then U union W is equal to W. If W is a subset of U, then U union W equal to U. In both the cases, they are subspaces. W is subspace and U is also subspace. That means U union W is a subspace. So we get the straightforward result: U union W is a subspace. Now conversely, we want to show that let we assume U union W is a subspace. This is our assumption, and let us assume the contradiction. Assume that U is not a subset of W and W is not a subset of U. neither W is subset of U nor U is a subset of W, and therefore there exists X belongs to U comma Y belongs to W such that X is not a member of W and Y is not a member of U, since they are not subset of either. Now let us take for U X comma Y belongs to U union W. Remember that U union W we have taken as a subspace. Therefore, this implies that X plus Y belongs to U union W. Since W is a U union W is a subspace. Also, as X belongs to U, X belongs to their union U union W. So, alpha X comma alpha Y belongs to U union W, where alpha belongs to F. Now there are two possibilities. X plus Y belongs to U comma alpha X belongs to U, since X belongs to U. And what is second possibility? X plus Y belongs to W comma alpha Y belongs to W, since Y belongs to W. Now for preciseness or particular, we consider that X plus Y belongs to U. X plus Y belongs to U and alpha X it is member of U. Alpha X is member of U. Then this is for all values of alpha. Alpha is a real number. So choose alpha equal to -1. Then look at this. As U is a subspace, X plus Y plus -1 into X equal to, again union of this U is a subspace, therefore it is closed under the operation addition, and hence we can take X plus Y and -1 into X as a member of U. So what we get here, this is equal to Y and this is member of U. This is a contradiction, since we have assumed that Y is not a member of U. We get a contradiction, hence either U is a subset of W or W is a subset of U whenever U union W is a subspace. In this video we have seen that at what condition two subspace union of two subspaces of a vector space is again a subspace of a vector space. We have proved one theorem and one problem. Thank you.